Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Dr. Javed Iqbal FAROOQI, and you are watching my YouTube channel, Health Education. Many of you have watched and appreciated my earlier videos on important health topics like fatty liver, hepatitis B and hepatitis C, dyspepsia, liver cirrhosis, and liver cancer. These videos helped thousands of people understand their health better, and I'm truly thankful for your support. But medical knowledge keeps advancing, and public health challenges also keep changing. So I have decided to remake and update these most viewed topics with the latest medical information, clearer explanations, and practical guidance so that you can benefit even more. Whether you are a patient, a student, or someone who just wants to take care of their health, these updated videos will help you make informed, confident decisions about your well-being. So let's have a look on the topics of our updated videos and see what's new, what's important, and what really matters for your health. These are the topmost 25 videos of my YouTube channel, which have got the most viewership. And when we analyze these, the most viewed is the fatty liver disease, which has been seen by more than 1 lakh people. Then followed by again the fatty liver disease, almost 50,000 people have seen this. Then the hepatitis B and C, then the liver cancer, then the again hepatitis B, again the fatty liver disease, and the liver cirrhosis, H. pylori, liver cancer, exercise and hepatitis, again the fatty liver disease, liver cirrhosis, again the fatty liver disease, then the liver cirrhosis, again the fatty liver disease, then the hepatitis B and pregnancy, the fatty liver disease, then bloating, and again hepatitis B, colonoscopy, fatty liver disease, chronic hepatitis C and G6PD. So if we calculate fatty liver disease 1, then the second, third, fourth, fifth, here comes the sixth, 7 and 8. Out of 25 top viewed videos, 8 videos, they belong to fatty liver disease. So what I'll be doing, first I'll take the fatty liver disease and we will see what's there new in 2026. Is 2026 bringing some hope? Yes. So we will have complete and detailed updates on the fatty liver disease, starting from what does it mean, how it is made, the fatty liver develops, what are its symptoms, what are its complications, how is it diagnosed, what are the treatment options, what about the diet and lifestyle, and how we can monitor the liver after getting cured of the fatty liver disease. So all these will be discussed in a series next to come. And after that, then we will take other topics, the hepatitis B, hepatitis C, the liver cirrhosis, the liver cancer, and the dyspepsia. So be with me in the next vlog, we shall start our discussion on the fatty liver disease. Till then, take care. Khuda Hafiz.